Yes, digital product family. Yes, 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 yes. Etsy family. Hope you guys are well, guys. Come here. I'm gonna tell you a little secret, guys. I'm gonna show you the secret. I want to give you the keywords of 2020 foul. The keywords of 2020 foul. If you want to make money on Etsy, this is what you need to do right now. I'm gonna give you the full video. And listen, I've been saying this for a long time, but this is gonna show you the evidence. If you want proof, I'll show you the proof. What you need to do to make the real cash on Etsy. If you want to make the real cash, the big cash, the lovely cash, the nuggets, if you want to make that on Etsy, this is what you need to do. And I'm going to show you the evidence for it, guys. So stay right to the end. And if you love Etsy product, you love creating, researching, listing, and all of that crazy, lovely stuff, then please hit the like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell as hard as you can. And don't forget to share. Don't be greedy, man. Share that madness. We share. That's what we do here. Anyways, listen, the keywords, right? Personalization, right? You've got to know this is the golden ticket. This is the one. And if you actually want to make money on Etsy, you need to be listening up for these personalization listings, these custom listings. If you don't want to make money, then don't do it. That's fine. But if you actually want to come and sell and make money on Etsy, this is what you got to have as part of your store. You need to have personalized listings. You need to have those custom listings because these are the magic words. It's that secret sauce. It's that magic sauce, that potion that will get you the lovely sales you need, right? Now look at the evidence. Let me just show you the evidence. Firstly, the biggest thing that happened recently is this gift mode button appeared on Etsy. Now check out my videos on gift mode. I think I was one of the first that actually did the breaking news on gift mode, right? One of the first, and I spoke about it at the time. But listen, gift mode, it's gold right here. It's giving you another avenue to push your listings, right? And what you need to do is you need to get that gift mode to sort of to love you, to actually want to push your listing, to actually be part of the algorithm. You got to push that at gift mode. You got to be that gift mode friend. You know that friend, you got to be the gift mode friend. And how you do that is through your personalized and your custom listing because it loves it. And the gifts, anything that can push the gifts and knowing it's a gift listing. Look, AI is out there now. AI is going to tell and know everything. They're going to sift through your listings, look at the title words, look at the images, look at everything. They will pick up whether it is a gift related listing and it will push it. So do that, please. Now, aside from that, look, let me show you the evidence because you know what? I'm tired of talking. I'm going to show you. Now, look at this. I'm just going to show you very simple, right? I want to type in something called tumblers, right? Tumblers, popular thing on Etsy, lovely, but this could be anything. But I'm just going to type in Tumblr. I want to show you just evidence, right? All these beautiful tumblers, whether it be wraps or actual tumblers, they're all here. Whether it be template tumblers, just everything tumblers, right? Tumblers. Now check this out. Using Everbee, my go-to nugget finder, the one, the diamond finder. Check it out, link in the description. You need some kind of SEO tool. You need to have something just to help you push. Anyways, look. I'm going to go product analytics. Let me just show you this evidence. Crazy when you actually look at it and look at the numbers. So I'm going to sort all of these out by the top sellers within this niche, right, of tumblers. I'm going to keep it real simple so you can see the evidence, right? Check this out, please. Please check this out, please. I want to help you, please. Look at this. I want to expand this thing, right? This is the biggest seller, right? Making over $51,000 per month. It's an absolute monster. But that's not the point of this video. The point is I want you to look at the top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Let me go down. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yep. The top 13 sellers, making from 51K a month down to about 18K a month, right? The biggest sellers have either the words personalized or custom in their title, right? Either personalized or custom in their titles, man. That's what they got. Now, granted, the personalization. Let me just go into one of these, right? Look, let me just go into this one of these, right? Let me just go into it. Let me just show you something, right? The 3 top words, right? You want to make that cash, and obviously you got to create the listing for it. Look, the 3 top words are personalized, right? Personalized, custom, and gift, right? That's it. It's those 3 words. They're the ones that are going to make you the money. That's the secret sauce right there. So what do you need to do? Like, you'll be telling me like, yeah, but what do I do, AJ? Like, what do I do with these words? Well, you got to create listings for it. So the personalization that this person has done, for example, is that what they do is they sell these tumblers with a personalization, and in this case, they've got the name for the seller, the for the buyer, right? So all they got to do is what they'll do is they're gonna choose. Firstly, they're gonna choose. So they're gonna choose what they want on the tumbler, right? That's what they're gonna choose. What they want on the tumbler. So you can see in these two cases, you got the name and a little floral around it. Again, a letter and a little floral, a little wreath around it. Yeah, something like that. That is what's personal. That's the personalization, right? You've got to think about your listings or what you sell. How are you going to do it, right? Custom. It's a gift. It's a perfect gift because it actually fits as a perfect gift. Imagine you're buying someone a gift. What are you gonna do? When we do birthday cards, we write the name of the person we're giving it to. When we buy a gift, right? It is the best thing to do is to individualize it, personalize it, is to have the name of the person on that gift. That is just amazing because it belongs to them, right? And so Etsy are pushing this gift mode because they want to be able to be the go-to platform for gifts. So what they're going to do is they're going to push any listing as much as possible, whether it be the normal algorithm or the gift mode algorithm, for people that are doing personalized listings, guys. So look, if you're going to do a personalization, name is the easiest thing to do. Adding a name or, you know, birth month flower or something like that. Let's go back. Let's just give you a few more ideas. Here's another one. Let's have a look at this one. There's the next. There's another one. $47,000. It's crazy. And these things, they're not even old. They're new. They're recent. They're kind of recent listings. 6-7 month old listings. They're not old, you know. Look at this. This is slightly different. This is a custom one. Affirmations. Please leave name. Look, you put your name. You can put the name of the person. Yeah. And then you customize it slightly. Guys, it's so easy, right? Think about what you sell. And the thing is not just tumblers. The joke is, look, I'm going to something else. I'm going mugs. Because you might be like, hey, G, that's just tumblers, man. That's just tumblers, man. You ain't showed us other products. Well, I will do. Let me show you mugs. Look, mugs is another massive niche out there. Okay, let me go to mugs. Let's just say, I don't know, dog mug or something like that. I mean, look, it comes up as custom anyway. Okay, I just typed in dog mug, right? Go to product analytics, right? Look at this. Okay, so in terms of this niche, look, look at this. Just show you the top. Custom, personalized, custom, personalized, custom, personalized, custom, personalized. Oh my God, like, I don't know how many listings that was, but that was a whole heap of listings, man. A whole heap of listings in the custom. Now, the thing is, they sell very, very well because people love the fact that you are designing something that is individualized. Now, in this case, it's for their pet. So it's a pet dog in this case. And you can see that the customization, the personalization is you put the image of the dog and you put the name of the dog and it's ready in 6 hours, man. 6 hours, right? And this listing is making over $16,000 per month. Now, it's not even that hard to do. All you need to do is they'll email you the image of the dog, right? You can add a filter to it if they want like a painted style. Cool. It's a 6-month-old listing making over 16K. And then they will drop in the name of the dog. So look, there's the boxes here. You can see the boxes there. So select. So what you do is you select your size and color for your mug. Simple. Choose your 11 ounce or 15 ounce. Select how many pets you actually want, as in like how many pets you want to be on the mug. And you also write the name and the font of the mug of the pet that you want. And that's it. They'll send through the email a picture of the dog. And voila. It's done. Simple. Easy. Right? 16K a month. Right? Hook it up to Printify and you're good to go, man. You're good to go. Again, let's have a look at these keywords. Yep. You got custom, you got gift. So these keywords are key. Obviously, you have to look and see what is a good niche to get into. And funny enough, I'm on a good one that you could possibly do. And I think most definitely the pet personalized niche is absolutely a fantastic one to go into. Why? Because it's an emotional one. People love their pets, right? There are emotions tied to it. So people would look for things for their pets to buy, right? Because they love them so much. They want images of their dogs, whether it be, again, another one, a really fantastic niche to get into in terms of like a personalized one is personalized. Let's go to personalized wall art, right? Wall art. And I guarantee you probably get some pets in there as well. Families and pets, right? Fabuloso one. Okay, let's go to Everbee. Let's just sort it because obviously we want to see where the real cash is, where the actual money is, which ones actually make the money, because we go science We don't go just guesswork. We go pure scientific research analysis, guys. So let's have a look at this. Okay, so revenue, right? Let's have a look at the revenue. Here's a personalized one just to give you an idea of the personalizations. You can do 8-month-old listing making 6,310, right? 6,310. Let me just explain this personalization. This one's I've spoken about before. This is a personalized. Now look at the keywords: personalized and gift, right? This is a personalized birth flower. So this is the family, and it's got written down the Williams family with all the birth flowers for each member of the family. Yep. So you got Daisy being April, so that's one member of the family, and all the rest of them. They're all in a kind of bunch there. A bouquet, shall we say, a bouquet, man. So this is a really fantastic, and spoke about many a time. This personalization is fantastic. The birth flower. Now, next one, you got the next birth personalization is this custom dog portrait, right? These portraits are absolutely fabuloso. These personalized pet portrait. This is a very kind of a bit abstracty, so you probably need some kind of filter software to give it those brush strokes design. Once you get the image of the dog, you can create that in Photoshop, Photopea, various other softwares that you can use to do that, and then put the name of the dog at the top. Again, fabuloso. This is another one that you could do. All you need to do is just offer them the print size, and you got the name of the dog and obviously the picture of the dog, so that you can actually add that kind of style to it. That is making nearly $5,000 per month. But again, custom, look, keywords, custom, personalized. These are your keywords, but obviously the listing has to reflect it. Now, let's go down the list to some other one. So like I said, you know, for certain niches, it works fantastically well. Let's have a look at this one. Now, let's just enlarge this slightly. Okay, let's have a look at this one. This was making $3,500, right? Approximately $3,500. Again, there's personalized element. Create your own custom sign, right? Your own custom sign, man. Okay, we've seen these are absolutely smashing it. Etsy's pick, boom, 70% off sale in demand. 51 people bought it in the last 24 hours. 51 people, guys, right? This one's massive, $40,000 per month. So these family couple ones, faceless ones, there's actually different types you can do. There's not only faceless, you can do watercolor, you can do oils or painting style. There's many different variations and sub niches within the sort of family couple portraits that you could do, not just the faceless, but obviously the faceless then is an absolute winner, guys. But this kind of personalized one, look, personalized and gift, right? Custom, 3 keywords. Like I keep saying, these keywords are paramount. Obviously, you don't just put keywords in any title. You got to create the personalization, but go with what works, guys. So my advice is this: type in personalized on the Etsy search bar, right? Personalized or custom. Have a look and see in your niche, whatever your niche is, put the word after it. See what personalized items are being sold. Because I'm telling you one thing, then people are looking for this. So if you don't have it in your niche, then you need to have it. And if they do have it in your niche, think about what you can do that's personalized, that make you stand out from the rest of the sellers, because obviously you want to add your own little slant to it. So guys, I'm going to leave it at that. But please, you need to do something like this. Please add some personalized custom lists. I know it requires a little bit more work, and it does. But once you get this going, you're going to see the difference in terms of your sales, because this is where everything's going. Everyone's looking. No one wants anything generic, right? Generic is not the way forward. It's all about individual, personalized. This is the way forward for selling on Etsy. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did like the video, please hit a like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. See you on the next one. Take care, Take care.